So if you're using peptides, you probably have a storage case, or you store your peptides in the refrigerator. I do the same thing. I've opted for a hard case. This was my old case. It's a great case. It's 3D printed. It's not too bad. A few things that I noticed though is that I really didn't like about this case. So kind of, there's the inside. A lot of cases just aren't made for peptides. And they're not made by people who use peptides. And so one thing I don't like, your peptide case probably sounds like that as well, unless you have foam inserts, but like that's what happens, right? It's just kind of a messy configuration. So I decided to upgrade, and I found RX cases. They're called rxcases.com. And when I first got the case, immediately you notice there's a huge quality difference. This thing's pretty heavy. I mean, it's really, really stout. You can see it's just, you know, let's shake it. The inversion test, as they call it. But again, really nice accents. This one is in copper. I really like that look. If you look here, they have reinforced hinges, which is a nice feature. It adds to kind of that ruggedness. And this is what I really like about this case. Let's open it up. And this is the medium case. So there's 15 vials here. It comes with your bottle for alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. Or if you want, if you're on the go, you can store your backwater in there, right? And it all closes up. It holds about 12 to 14 syringes. And we use the alcohol pads. One thing I really like about this case in particular is it comes with a reconstitution calculator. And you can find that also at protocolapp.health. It's one of the best calculators out on the internet right now. You can actually do a reverse. So you can say, I want 20 units, and it'll tell you how much backwater you need to put in there. I use Protocol App. These are 2 QR codes that take you directly to the store. One for the Apple, one for the Android. One thing just from a functional point of view that I really like about this case, if I have a few peptides I need to take for the day, I'll take them and I'll put them over here. Right, so I know exactly what I'm taking. This is a really nice feature. So here you have your syringes, and you can stage your syringes, which I think is just, you know, it's a small detail, but my wife likes to take all of her draws first, and then she'll put them here, and then she'll inject all at one time. So this is a pretty slick feature. They are coming out with a version that has a square for your alcohol pads. But as you can see, these things just fit really, really nice in there. So yeah, this is the RX peptide storage case. This is medium. The large is 20 vials, holds 20 vials, and the small, which I like this small, I'll use this one, or I'm going to use this one for the daily, and probably use this one for the weekly or long-term storage. But they fit great in the refrigerator. And like I said, these things are really solid. Confession, I actually dropped one of these boxes out of the fridge, and everything was perfectly fine. And I think part of that is there's just not a lot of wiggle room here. So everything's pretty well locked up and tight, even with the backwater, which is slightly smaller than that cavity. You don't hear a lot of rattle. Everything stays in place. This is the perfect like travel and storage case. Again, you can find them at Amazon or rxcases.com. For the money, it's a no-brainer. It's a great case. I think you should check them out. I really enjoy it, and I'm glad that I found it. So good luck to you, and check them out.